up, Online Shoppers? I've got a great little retinol cream here, especially if you are looking to get started in using retinol for your nightly skincare. This one here is by LilyAna Naturals and it is amazing. To start off, I love it because it uses clean ingredients and it is vegan and cruelty-free. Starting off with a cream like this will let you establish a simple anti-aging routine that is easy to maintain, because we all know when things get complicated, it's really hard to follow through. Something else that's cool about this particular company right here, they're made in the USA and is a small family-owned business. So when you use it, not only does it feel good, but it actually feels good in here too. Application for this is super easy. It comes in this really great little pump like this, but I will caution you, it comes out really fast. So all you need is a little pea-size amount. That is just the right amount right there. And all you have to do is rub it in. Now this cream is luxurious. It feels so nice on your skin. It's thick. It's like a rich lather, but it doesn't feel greasy at all, and that's why I love it. It rubs in and absorbs really nice and easy. To start off, you can probably use this 2 to 3 times a week and build up your tolerance, because retinol is something that you do have to build a tolerance for. But once you've started with this and you've gone 2 to 3 times a week, you can actually go back to every day if you want to. And a word of caution, this isn't a daytime moisturizer. You put this on at night because retinol makes your skin sensitive to the sun, because it's kind of defeating the purpose if you put this on and then go outside. This is for helping to repair all of the damage we do to our skin when we're outside without sunscreen, when we haven't used moisturizers, when we're not properly hydrated, all that. This is a really great cream because it's lightweight, it doesn't have an oily residue, and it absorbs really quickly into your skin. I just love how plumped and moisturized my skin feels when I've used this the night before, and I also feel like I'm glowing a little bit, and I think that that is in part due to this too. There are so many great ingredients in this beyond the retinol. It has lots of really nice moisturizers like hyaluronic acid, jojoba, aloe vera, vitamin E. And the other bonus to using a retinol cream is that it helps to diminish marks on our skin, like a scar from acne, sunspots, or age spots. So there are definite benefits all the way around to using a cream like this, and the added moisture and how great it makes your skin feel, who wouldn't want that? It's a great idea to add into your nightly skincare routine. If you are looking for a really great skincare product to try, the LilyAna Naturals Retinol Cream is a great pick. It goes on really nice, doesn't leave an oily residue or a slick of any kind. It feels great, it absorbs fast. It's made by a family-owned company here in the United States, and it is definitely a family favorite at my house.